So in order to actually transport and remove the background on one of your photos, what you're going to want to do first is I suggest you create a new note. This is going to help you have a place to put your photo initially as an option or before you actually take it to another platform. And then what you're going to want to do is swipe up from the bottom by only a little bit and hold your finger there. And then essentially you're going to want to make sure that notes and photos are next to each other, because otherwise it's going to be a little tricky when we get to step 3 and 4. So the next step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to photos, press and hold on the main subjects of that photo. So the main subjects are going to be you and your dog, or you and your skateboard, or you and your wife, husband. You get the picture. So basically take the main subjects, press and hold with one finger. This is a 2-finger job, so get ready for that. You're going to press and hold with one finger, and then after that you're going to take finger B and swipe 2 notes, and then you're going to want to put the photo there. What you want to do after this is make sure that when you have done this, you actually could also go to Instagram or other social media outlets with this photo before you go to notes. You also don't have to go to notes. Notes is just an idea if you want to basically put any kind of text below it or put any kind of edits or customizations below the photo itself. So this is how you actually remove the background on a photo, and this can actually get super realistic to the point where you could put this on Instagram and put yourself, instead of at a car dealership on a Sunday, you could convince everybody that you're actually on a plane to Italy. So I guess I am supporting lying to a point, but life gets kind of boring, so why not? This is not really supporting lying, it's just taking advantage of technology. Have fun, guys, and welcome to Life Hacks. See ya next time.